Hey guys, I'm loaded up and heading to the river. Went the other day, it was hot, we caught a bunch of small fish, so I'm gonna go to a new area today I haven't been to in quite a while. And yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna throw today, but I know I do have the jerk shads tied on. I have a topwater and chad shad, so hopefully they're biting the chad shad. That'd be awesome. But yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching the video. I appreciate you guys. Here we go. Right at the freaking boat. Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one. That's a saw guy. That is a big saw guy. Man. Big saw guy. Might be a Fish Ohio. Here it is. It's a good one. How big he is. Yep. Fish Ohio, 21 and a half. Good one. Yeah. Going on the ZWG. They're healthy. He's a 13 or 14, but thick, man. Thick body. I forgot my Yak Attack kayak cart here on the bank where I was putting in, so I had to hurry back and come grab that. Would have been bad if I lost it. There we go. I don't think that's a smallmouth. Yeah, it's a catfish. A big catfish. Jeez, man. There we go. Z-Man Elite Evo Chatterbait. I catch so many of these stupid things in the river, it's ridiculous. I get tired of it. I spit it, man. Keep losing them on the freaking chatterbait. That's a good one. Of course. My net's stuck and I can't freaking, this sucks. That's a good one too. Go, a little football. Oh. My net is stuck on my freaking rod. There we go. My goodness. 15 3/4. Got him on the Rapala DT4. This color. I love this color. Oh, he only has one. Yep, he came off. I knew it. I knew it. He only had one hook. Largemouth on the Elite Evo. My camera was overheated and turned off, and then I had to turn it on when I was fighting the fish. Another one on the jerk shads, a little tiny one. I cannot find any big fish today. Tough day out on the water, man, but that's fishing. At least I did catch some fish, so that was still fun, but I am cooked, man. It is hot. I got the AC on full blast right now, so I'm gonna go cool down. Thanks for watching the video, guys. See ya.